Hello everyone, it's Kay. How's it going? Thank you for joining again. Good to see you. So today is the 13th of November 2020 on Friday. So happy Friday everyone. I hope you're having a great day today. Here in Tokyo, Japan, it's been getting cold right now. It's about 13 degrees in Celsius. So it's a little chilly, but still okay. It's a nice weather. Very clear sky, nice weather, and just a very nice air right now. So let's get started today. Today is the Friday. So every Fridays I talk about my strategy, which is presented as a KTS, case trading strategy. So we'll check some charts today and see what's happening in the market based on the Ichimoku and also different tools and indicators. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Kei, and I am a full-time Forex trader in Japan, Tokyo, and I share my view about the market every day from the videos and the lives, and I use Ichimoku Kinko for the last 5 years as one of my main trade strategies. I use Ichimoku in multiple time frames, and I show exactly how I save time to check charts and take trades at the same time. So I read through these Ichimoku original books many times, maybe over 20 times I read through, and I have the Ichimoku community that I run here, as you can see. So if you can click on the link below description, you can find what I offer here. Basically there are lots and lots of perks that you can receive here. So if you're interested to learn the essence of Ichimoku, then I think this is the one for you. So let me see who's here first. Alright, Josie, thank you for joining. And MZN, good to see you again. Oh yes, oh yeah, sorry I haven't replied the email yet. So yeah, I will reply to the email after I finish this live stream. Thank you for the interest on my GTS course. GTS is actually another service that I offer. It's a global trading school, and this is only up to 5 members, and it's a face-to-face group meetings every week, and I teach the KTS, the strategy side KTS, multiple time frame, and also I teach the money management, psychological management, and how to rate journals, how to calculate the lot sizing, where to put the stop loss and everything. I monitor your performance for the 3 months based on the KTS strategy, and this is happening in the next January 2021. So MZM, sorry about my late reply on the email. I will for sure reply to it after this live stream. So hopefully you can join the GTS class upcoming on this January, next January. Okay, and Valentino, thank you for joining. Good to see you. And Kulan, thank you for joining as well. And Goodness, thank you for joining too. Alright, I see lots of traders now here. James Thanapol. Milana, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. And Freddy, Marco, Nils, and let's see, Kayon, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. Yeah, time flies. That's right, time flies. Yeah, it's already in the middle of November now, and we are towards the end of the year already. Time flies really. Yep. Alright, Vincent. Bongani, thank you for joining as well. Thank you for joining from Zimbabwe. Bongani, thank you. Roy Son, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. And Andrew, Dex, Aditya, and Javad, and everybody else, thank you for joining today. So before starting, just a quick disclaimer. Basically, this content is based on my own experience knowledge. So when you take trades, please do with your own risk. So let's check some charts now. Looks like the market has been moving in lower time frames, but higher time frames looks to be flat, especially on these Forex major pairs. These are pretty much flat. So starting from the Euro USD, here is, let me check the daily chart. Alright, Euro USD daily chart looks to be still horizontal range. The market is flat, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, Chikou span touching the candles. So this is flat ranging market. So we don't know which way the market is wanting to go. So better to avoid this kind of market. Let me check the forward chart just in case and see if that's trending too. In 4, this is not trending either. Like the Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, the price is in between Kijun Sen and the Kumo here, which is not really good timing to look for buy or sell. And also Chikou span is very close to the candles now, so it's flat. So based on the forward chart too, we don't know which way it's going in the long term. So better to avoid to look at the lower time frames in this particular case. Jack Smith, thank you for joining. And let's see, Marco says, Kay, I admire your discipline, daily meetings, and thank you for sharing your knowledge. Sure, Marco, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, I hope you get the essence of how I check charts multiple time frame by Ichimoku. So yeah, that's my mission on this YouTube channel. So let's see, let's check the next one, Euro JPY. Euro JPY daily chart is flat and forward chart is flat, basically no trends. Not the best timing to look for the buy or sell chance either on this pair as well. Let's see, how about AUD USD? Forward chart is retracing backwards now, and this is still flat. The price is in between the Kijun Sen and the Kumo. So when you see the price in between the Kijun Sen and also the Kumo, in this area, you don't want to look for buy or sell. Or if the price is in the Kumo, that's also when you don't want to look for buy or sell chance, because basically the market can be volatile along the way. So that means it might be supported by this Senko span A, the upper part of the Kumo Senko span A, and it could go up. Or it might penetrate the Kumo downwards too and reach to the Senko span B, the lower part of the Kumo. And it might bounce off of this Senko span B, or if it penetrates, then it can go down all the way. And at this moment, we have too many scenarios like this, so I would basically stay away in this kind of market. So let's see, let me check the next one. So, well, first of all, I think when you see this kind of market, then you might think that, oh, so this might become a Sanyaku Gyakuten signal, because we find that Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen did cross Chikou span breakout. So do you think the price will go down and break through the Kumo and become Sanyaku Gyakuten signal? That will be another typical question. But actually, if I answer to that question, then my answer will be I don't know. I don't know whether the price will break through the Kumo downwards or not. Well, in this case, I can see that the Kumo is very thick in this area. So I think there's a good chance that the price will be supported by the Kumo and then go up afterwards, most likely. Or it might, still in the Kumo, but goes up and down in the range market. And eventually it will break the Kumo up or downwards to either way. Maybe it will go up or down like this way. So what I want to say is that just because you see Tenkan Kijun dead cross and Chikou span breakout, it doesn't mean that you have to sell. I mean, I take these Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, dead cross and Chikou span breakout as the exit timing for me. So let's say when I hold a buy over here, and when I find this Tenkan Kijun dead cross or Chikou span break that will be the exit timings. So better to exit somewhere here will be the meanings, because when you see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen dead cross, that means that this is the end of the uptrend in the short to mid-term. And also when you see Chikou span break, that means this is another indication for the range market. So, but it doesn't mean that the price will break the Kumo downwards. It doesn't mean that always. So that's why, to make the long story short, I would suggest you to wait until the Kumo breaker happens and then look for the sell chance afterwards. Alright, Mr. Fernandez, thank you for joining. Good to see you. And James, good morning. Good to see you also. Alright, Harvin says, been watching this channel, hoping for more Ichimoku knowledge. Sure. I will be sharing the knowledge every day. So hopefully you gain more and more knowledges every day. Yep, and if you're curious about Ichimoku Kinko Hyo, the essence, the deeper level, then you're always welcome to join the Ichimoku community, as always. Alright, GPPJPY, okay. Mariana says GPPJPY is trending. So let's check that one. Oh, before that, Andrew says if the daily chart, forward chart are flat, why not drop to the 1 hour chart? I don't usually depend on the 1 hour chart because in 1 hour it moves so quickly. So if I confirm to become an intraday trade on that particular situation, then I will take the 1 hour chart trend. But mainly I want to follow the daily chart or forward chart trends as a day to swing trader, and that's why I focus on these higher time frames trends. Well, actually yesterday I saw EURCAD was spiking up, and that's why I captured the buy chance. And so let me show you the chart. So here is EURCAD, and I bought it over here. I was not looking at the forward chart, or I wasn't looking at the daily chart. In this case, I was only looking at the 1 hour chart and took that buy. And I'm still holding it right now. But yeah, usually I take forward chart trends or daily chart trends. So yeah, let me show you the MT5. Okay, so here's MT5, and I took the buy here. This is Eurocad, EURCAD 1 hour chart. And I bought it here. And because in this 1 hour chart, so this is 1 hour chart, H1, and I saw the uptrend on this. Kijun-sen was moving up, and Kumo was moving up at that time. Chikou span well above the candles, and that's why I took a buy over here. Oh, sorry, not this one. Somewhere here, Chikou span was above the candles, and that's why I took a buy here. But this particular trade, I only took it based on the 1 hour chart. But usually, I look at the 4 hour chart or daily charts to capture the trends. So this is a rare case. And when I confirm the uptrend in 1 hour chart, then I don't confirm this in the lower time frames. I just basically look for the trading edge to buy in lower time frames, and I took the buy here. Initially the stop loss was below the recent low, which was at this level, and I move the stop loss to break even when I confirm this pin bar. When I confirm this pushback, then I move the stop loss to break even, and I'm still keep holding it from yesterday. So that was the brief example. But here Eurocad shows that 4 hour chart is gradually moving up, and the daily chart is flat right now. Kijun Sen is flat. Chikou span touching the candles. So this, in a daily chart basis, there is no trends. But in 4, now this is becoming uptrend. So you can start to look for the buy chance on this one based on the 4-hour chart time frame. Hello Antipas, Pat B, thank you for joining. Alright Lucas, can you give some tips for swing trading? So for swing trading, you can write on the trends on the higher time frames. So that means the monthly chart or weekly chart. Because most likely you want to keep holding the position for over the weeks and months. That's the swing trade. But once the price goes backwards, you want to exit soon. But for swing trading, I think it's more suitable on stock markets or indexes. In Forex, I see a daily chart, daily time frame or forward time frame has been very active. It goes up and down in a day or in a week, it goes up and down, but not really ideal to keep holding one currency pair over the monthly basis. And that's why I am a day to swing trading strategy now. Hello Phantom, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Alright, Marco says, after opening a position on M15, M5, are you still watching time frame 1 hour or 30 or just daily chart or 4-hour chart? Does a trend reversal in confirmatory time frames affect M15 and M5 positions? So once I hold the buy, for example, in this case, as soon as I place a buy here, then I keep watching the market. I look at the lower time frame. I was looking at the 5 and I took the buy. Hold on, let me just go backwards a little bit. I took the buy here. And I keep watching the market until I set the break even. So basically I set the break even over here. When I saw this pushback, I put the break even. So this was a break even point. And then I just leave the chart. I won't come back to the chart anymore. If the price goes backwards this way, then I just take the break even. But I still expect the market continue to go up this way because I'm following the uptrend on 1 hour chart time frame in this case. So I don't really look at the mid time frames when I take a buy or sell on daily chart or 4-hour chart. Once I set the break even, then I just let time go. I just let it run. If it goes backwards, then I just take it. Alright, Mariana, you're welcome. Alright, Christian, thank you for joining. And Golam, good to see you too. So let me check some other markets now. Let's see, Eurocad. So Eurocad 4-hour chart is going up and 1-hour chart is also moving up as we saw earlier. So in this one, we can actually look at the lower time frames to look for the trading edges. So let me touch on how I would capture the buy chance if I were watching the market real time now. So let's check the 5-minute chart now. So once again, we confirm the 4-hour chart to be uptrending and 1-hour chart also to be uptrending. So in this case, you always look for the buy chance. You never look for sell chance in this case. You have to set your eyes to buying chance. So let me show the Bollinger Bands and Stochastics and see if we can confirm any trading edges right now. Alright, Bollinger Band is too expanding, so I won't take it. So let me just delete the Bollinger Bands because this is too expanding. I won't take it. And how about the Stochastics? Alright, Stochastics looks to be gold crossing now. My Stochastics setting is 30, 10, 10 if you're new to my channel. Person K is 30, person D is 10, and slowing as 10. This is my Stochastics setting. And I use Stochastics to capture exact trading edge to buy or sell in lower time frames, which is 5-minute chart or 15-minute time frame. So now I can see that this is gold crossing. So that will be one of the confirmations to enter. So I would look for 2 more confirmations at least to enter the market. And right now I don't see any other confirmations. There is actually the recent supports in this area. So yeah, if the market is going to be supported 3rd time, then I will take this as another confirmation to buy. But still, I have to look for another confirmation, and right now I don't see any other confirmations. So I will just wait until either Bollinger Band keeps squeezing a little bit more. So what we can expect later will be, if the market continue to be in a range like this, then Bollinger Band would squeeze a little bit like this, and there might be some like a 3rd support or 4th support that can be another buying edge. And also Stochastics might be dead crossing, and then it might gold cross again. That can be another scenario. So if I find this Stochastics gold cross in 5, and also Bollinger Bands more squeezed like this, and also market range supported by this level of a 1.5528 area, then that will be a buy over here. In this case, the stop loss can be very tight. The recent low will be, if I go back a little bit, chart a little bit, the recent low will be like in this area. So you see there is a recent low here, so this will be the stop loss. And I will take a buy here, and I expect the market go up afterwards. So yeah, so in this case, the stop loss will be only about 10 pips of stop loss, which is, I think this is too tight. Considering a spread, I want to take like a 15 or 20 pips of stop loss. But if I just depend on these N waves, then this will be the stop loss area. Oh, Andrew says, but if the 1-hour chart fits in with my day, I can use it with KTS. Yes. In that case, you don't follow. I mean, you don't have to confirm this 1-hour chart uptrend on the mid time frames. You just basically look for the buy chance or sell chance on lower time frames. If you take trades on 1-hour time frame. Hello Blackwater, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Thanapol says, do you ever take trades in the morning Japan time? Yes, I do. Usually I see trending market on after London session or New York sessions, but sometimes I see trending market on Asian session, and then I'm willing to take trades during the Asian session time as well. Yeah, as long as there's a trending market, then I will just take it, and I don't really care about which session it's going to be. Alright, Kayon, thank you for the reminder, for the like button as always. So if you liked today's live already, please press a good button before you leave so that it keeps me going. Alright, Asaf says, do we have Harami price action? Yes, Harami engulfing will inside bar, outside bars will be a very nice confirmation for a buying chance. So in this case, considering talking about the candlestick pattern this is the big bearish candle right now, and there might be like a engulfing, like a inside bars for the next couple of candles, and then afterwards it might break up like this way. In this case, this is the inside bar, and at the break, this can be one of the confirmations to buy from here at this breakout. So we'll see if it happens or not in this kind of market. Okay, I can see that now after the next candle is forming, I can see that there's a nice Bollinger Band squeeze. So yeah, that will be another confirmation, yes. Oh, at 4 a.m. in this area. Also, yeah, this was like engulfing, like a inside bar and broke downwards. Yeah. So engulfing patterns or like any candlestick price action can work on lower time frame. So yeah, let me switch to the 15 minute time frame. Let me check 15, and let's see what we can find here. So usually I compare the 5 and 15 and just take whichever confirmations it might be. So based on this 15 minute time frame, I don't see like the bullish trend right now. The stochastics is going down. Bollinger Band is not really squeezing enough. This is more of expanding right now. So I won't take the Bollinger Bands either for buy chance. And now the price is going down. So I will draw the line like this way. There was a recent highs in this area. So it might be reversal and go up afterwards too. So this will be the next area. 1.5519 area will be the one to expect some kind of support potentially. So that's one. And how about the trend line? If we can draw the trend line like this way, that can be another confirmation too. So there are twice the supports in this area. Well, I think this was even like a reversal. If I just go back the chart a little bit, let me delete the stochastics now. This was kind of the reversal line too. There was a previous resistance and now becoming supports. So it might be supported here by this trend line, and it might go up also. And once again, the reason why I expect the market go up this way is because on the 4-hour chart and on the 1-hour chart, I confirmed the uptrend. H4, H1, this is uptrending, and that's why I only create scenario to buy. So that will be another confirmation. Let me take the Fibonacci retracement. Maybe there might be some retracement by the Fibonacci lines. So let me enlarge. Let me zoom in right now, and this is 61.8% level. So yeah, I think considering this Fibonacci line also in between 1.5524 area and 1.5519 area, I expect the market will be bounced off of in this area somewhere. If it breaks down, then maybe 1-hour chart becomes flat. So I will check the mid-time frame to confirm the uptrend again. So this might be the support zone, and I expect the market go up afterwards. That will be another buy chance. I mean, one of the buying confirmations. Always look for at least three confirmations to buy in lower time frame is the key. Yeah, so we'll see if it happens or not. What about the currency swings chart? Euro CAD is downtrending. So this means that either Euro is weak or CAD is strong. Either Euro being weak or CAD being strong, that makes this whole chart moving down. So let's find out which one of the currencies is currently affecting this pair particularly. So I will check the currency strength chart. And let's see. So Euro and CAD. Okay, now I can find that the Euro is becoming down. Hold on, let me pick up the Euro and AUD only. Sorry, CAD only. And I can find that the Euro is going down right now. So because of weak Euro, this is going down at the moment. So I guess Euro pair is going down in a short term right now. So let me check if there's any related news right now for Euro and the AUD, or sorry, CAD. And today is a Friday, November 13th. We have a GDP in Euro. This can affect the market. And also later we have the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report in the US. It can also affect the market too. So we'll see if this happens or not. But right now this is not really happening. So I think this is just moving the chart by itself. So yeah, we'll see if it happens. Yep, alright. So let's see. Okay, in about 5 minutes I have to go. So I can't answer to all these questions for now. I have to leave home in about like 50 minutes. So I will be ending the live in about 5 minutes. But let me check some other questions that I can answer right now. Mr. K, can you explain trading edge uses USD CAD used? Oh yeah, my trades. Yeah, I will talk about it maybe some other time. Sorry, I don't have enough time today, unfortunately. Have you studied Williams fractals and chaos theory? I've noticed it works for Ichimoku. I know Bill Williams fractals. It's about, yeah, I combine it with the price action. I've studied about that, but I'm not sure about the chaos theory. Yeah. I use I was focusing on the fractals as well. Yeah. All right. Christopher says, hello K, do you also apply the Kumo breakout strategy to catch the beginning of the trend after price just breaks out of the Kumo? Yes, Kumo breakout can be the beginning of the trend. So I will take that Kumo. But make sure you have the right order of the Sanyaku Gyakuten or Sanyaku Koten signals. Alright. Hello Maru-san. Thank you for joining. Good to see you. No worries. Even if you're late, no problem. Thank you for joining. Yep, good to see you again. So here is Euro CAD chart that I was explaining just earlier, because we find that the forward chart is now uptrending. Euro CAD, once again, the forward chart, Kumo up, Kijun Sen up, Chikou span breakout also happening right now. So this is uptrend confirmation. And then 1 hour chart, this is also uptrending too. So that's why we're talking about either 5 or 15 time frames to capture some trading edges. All right, so I guess I have to go. So once again, thank you for joining everyone. So tomorrow, on Saturday, I will record a video for public members, and there will be FAQ sessions. So every Saturdays, I record a video, short video, and I will talk about some of the frequently asked questions from the traders, like how to, how to capture this small breakout, how to, manage the positions, how to calculate the position sizing, or how to manage multiple time frames. I get these questions, many times in a day. So that's why I set Saturday as FAQ sessions. So you can find tomorrow's topic in tomorrow's video. This is going to be uploaded at the same time today at 6 p.m. Japan time, 9 a.m. in GMT. And later, there will be a Ichimoku membership live. And Ichimoku membership live here tomorrow, I will go over some of the charts on the weekly analysis, Ichimoku members only weekly analysis, and also FAQ sessions as well. So I hope to see you tomorrow too. Alright, so thank you for joining as well. Once again, today's Friday, so I hope you're having a happy Friday today. And I wish you have a great weekend ahead. So thank you for joining everyone. Please stay healthy and stay gold. Bye for now. またね. Thank you.